Hello from me, Lazarus. Welcome to the next lesson in the series. Useful free programs for Windows. While we're on the subject of music, I'll show you what I promised about the video players I use. We'll start with VLC Player first. I type in the search engine VLC Player. I select the site. I go to download and here I choose Windows Download, and I press Save. We click on it, like on any other program. Here we give yes. We wait. There is no Bulgarian. We leave English. Here we give next. Here we give that we agree. I'll leave it as default here too. Here too. I'll give next. Now, by the way, here, they have started some of these things, and in CCleaner I also saw such things. Here we should skip this, because it wants to install. Avast antivirus. We wait until it installs. It's done. We press close. I'm closing this. And you see, we click on the icon on the desktop. And there it is. VLC Player. This is some kind of advertisement. I'm removing it. Close. Close. That's it. So, here we can maximize it if we want. I'm not going to show you many options right now. This is for volume. This is for playlists, like in Winamp. This is where it closes. This is to open a file. Now, here in music, I have left again the Nativity of Christ's Nativity. So, here I show, and we're going to open them.
Hristos рождается, славите, Христос небес ряждите, Христос на земли возноситеся, пойте Господеви, вся земля и весельем, воспойте людие, яко прославися.
If you want, here's the control panel. This is where it starts. There are also options like that. Here's the equalizer. I've set it up similarly to an app. These are for subtitles and other controls. That's pretty much it for this player. Now we'll move on to the other player I wanted to show you. The other player is VideoLAN Media Player. It's open source and it doesn't have such ads and similar things, like with GOM Player. GOM Player wasn't there either. They made that recently, because when I last downloaded it, there were no such things. So, here it is, the video player. I choose for Windows. I wait. I press save. It's done. And I run it like any other program. Here I give yes. Here we have Bulgarian. Here I give way. Here, go. Now, here there are additional options. I leave them by default. And here I leave it at the default, where to install. And I wait until the installation is complete. I press finish. This is for network access. Right now I'm not going to bother with it. Here's this player. It's interesting, feature-rich. It has a lot of features. I can even say that I haven't tested them all. But it's worth using. Here we will open the same song and music. This is a wonderful song. And we play it again, because it's already approaching Christmas. In a few days it's the great Christian holiday. And we play it. We wait.
Hristos рождается, славите, Христос небес ряждите, Христос на земли возноситеся, ойте Господеви, вся земля и весельем, воспойте людие, яко прославися.
That's a brief introduction to these two players that I still use. That's all for this lesson. Best regards.